Hi guys, this is Vo. I have two USB-C dongle to kind of demonstrate for you because somebody asked about this. First one I have is called the LC-dolida dongle, which it has VGA, HDMI 2, USB-C audio out, Ethernet port, and a USB-C power to power the device. Okay. It is not going to output HDMI to an external monitor. This will. This is the Kinvoca, and it has a VGA HDMI audio out, and it's labeled in the back, and then the power and a USB 3 port. So to show off this first dongle here, the LC-dolida, I'm going to show you that it does not output to the TV. Now, to be fair, it was never advertised to output to the television on a Nintendo Switch. But if you have a Surface Pro, Macbook, any laptop, you can take advantage of this. Anyway, what this is good for is basically hooking up a USB device, like a joystick that I have here, the Fitness Stick Mini from Hori. And you can use it to basically navigate and stuff. It does have two USB ports, so you can have up to two additional controller, but if you're playing solo, it's probably not going to be a problem. I am assuming you can get another like a USB extra dongle or something. Anyway, so I'm going to demonstrate the Fitness Stick Mini. I've kind of gotten used to the stick since the more I play with it and how the stick moves, and I think it's really, personally speaking, I think it's responsive, and I like the how it handles. Okay, all right, so I'm going to try out the HDMI out. I'm going to show you now. Let me power up the monitor. So and the most important thing you have to know is that you have to power the adapter with a USB cable, and the power adapter has to be the the 15 watts or whatever the Nintendo Switch likes. I am actually using the Nintendo Switch adapter, so it should have an efficient power to export or to put the display port out. And as you can see, it is not happening. Now this is due to, I think Nintendo has a weird, because like a standard output video uses some pins that obviously Nintendo is not playing by the same rules, and so it doesn't output to the TV. Now this is just a standard USB-C dongle, so any device that takes advantage of the the common output will work on this. It's just that the Nintendo Switch doesn't play nice. All right, so we're gonna swap out for the Kinvoca. Now this will work. I have seen it work in action, and so you need to once again power the device, plug in your USB or your HDMI, and then your USB from your joystick. Okay, and basically you're just gonna plug this into the Nintendo Switch, and it should automatically output to the TV. As you can see, the monitor turn off because it is sending single out now. Okay, there you go. Yeah, and so I can use my joystick here to continue to fight on, and yeah, it's pretty much pretty easy. And like I said, this so the cost. So the Kinvoca, which is the one that works with the Nintendo Switch, was only $14 currently on Amazon, and the other one, the LC-dolida, that is $40. It doesn't work with the Nintendo Switch, but you do have extra ports and extension and Ethernet and all that good stuff for your regular computer. So if you have a regular computer that use USB-C, such as the Surface Pro, you can use it. I am just showing off my all you can Hadouken. or all you can. So yeah. So yeah, controller's really good. So if you, personally speaking, I've gotten really used to the Hori Fighting Stick Mini. So